cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain on thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone tryna.
So this is a stop motion video, or however you call it, of just me setting up to clean my quad. I have a 2002 Yamaha Blaster 200. For those of you that know, that follow my page, this was the first bike that I got, and then I got my SSR, but I've clearly ridden my SSR on this page a lot more than I've ridden this quad. I actually haven't started this quad since last summer. Really, when I got it, I tried to start it. It didn't really work. I started it for a little bit, didn't even ride it. Fast forward to December of 2024, I was like, okay, I need to sell this thing. So I had somebody come over and look at it, and they were like, I don't really like it. It doesn't really start. I don't know what's going on with it, this, and that. And I was like, dang, because I did post it on Facebook. I posted on OfferUp, just trying to get it sold because I don't ride it. It's a two-stroke. It's a lot of work. But anyways, I decided to give it a go again because I've had a couple weeks off of work. So I had a pressure washer. I put in a couple plastic bags to cover up some spots that I don't want to get dirty. Or not get dirty, but get water into it, like the engine. I put a glove over it, a couple electrical parts, and then something next to the air filter on the top. I put plastic bags there too. But anyways, I just went with a pressure washer, really. It has some soap in it, but not a lot of soap, really. It's just straight water. Spraying it down. Shout out to my friend, my brother Matthew. He is his pressure washer. I don't even own a pressure washer, which I probably should get one just because I, wash stuff occasionally, I guess. But yeah, I sprayed down the quad, and then people told me to dry it. People as in YouTube. I watch other people wash their quads and dirt bikes and all that to when they get muddy, people go right in the mud. And they said to dry it off afterwards. So I dried it off and I posted it. So if anybody on here is looking for a 2002 Yamaha Blaster 200, it does start. I'm gonna put some videos in right now. I cleaned it, I dried it. Everything is still in working order. Put new gas in it. Tire's a little flat, but I put air in it too. And huge shout out to my friend Justin. He's more mechanically inclined than I am. I had him come over and look at the bikes. You guys know I'm new to this stuff. I'm still learning, but he was able to come diagnose the bike and get it working. It shows him trying to kick it over right here, and you're gonna hear it in a sec. Really, we just need a new gas in it. Once I put the new gas with the new oil, it's okay. No? And I'm not gonna lie, we did kind of eyeball the gas oil mix, so maybe that's why it was smoking. We ran it a little rich, but it's not a problem with the engine or anything like that. So yeah, to my knowledge, it's a good bike. It runs. We got it working. It's just not my type of bike. I do want a quad. Obviously, I already have a bike, but I also want a quad. But I want a 4-stroke. Plus, I want something a little bit bigger because my SSR is a 189. This is a 200, which in a 2-stroke, I guess, is more powerful. But it's a lot of work. All this mixed oil stuff is not for me. It probably needs a clean carb. Probably going to have somebody do that very soon. I'm going to try to have somebody do that very soon. Shout out Gilbert, maybe you. But yeah, let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate any tips, tricks, advice you can leave down below in the comments. You can subscribe to my channel right here. You can get with me on TikTok and Twitter right here. And in this other corner, you should be able to watch another video. Until then, I'll see you around.